1 pot feel better savory chicken soup. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of each salt, pepper, onion. Garlic, thyme, parsley. Tastes like chicken pot pie flavored soup. Boil chicken on the stove or in oven covered. When chicken is cooked, set aside with remaining juices. To add back to pot. Same pot, add oil, saute diced onion and bell pepper. Then add the minced garlic, ginger, and diced celery. I saved half the celery sliced to add when broth is added. The best ingredients to help you feel better are the garlic, ginger, spinach, and lemon. The rest is also healthy and helps the flavor. After the sautéed veggies are ready, add 2 tablespoons butter. Then 4 cups broth, 2 large diced potatoes, 2 large cut carrots. Juice half of a lemon, then add that in 2 to 3 cups chopped spinach and chicken cut up with. Remaining juices, then add some of the same seasonings that is on the chicken. I added dried basil and fresh rosemary. Dried rosemary is just fine. Cook covered until vegetables are fork tender. Adjust this soup some if you'd like. Serve now or make it creamy. Some of the kids liked it better at this point. All of the kids loved it. For that creamy pot pie texture, mix 2 tablespoons butter. Soften works best, then 2 tablespoons flour and 2/3 cup milk and some broth from pot. Add back to pot, simmer few minutes. It's great served over rice or noodles. You can also throw all this in the slow cooker for 6 to 8 hours until chicken is cooked barely. Please subscribe to support my channel. Thank you so much.